So dear viewers, when we're ready, then we'll go for earthquake and wind load defining process. So here we'll go define, then load pattern, and from load pattern we have to go first EX, then EY, and WX, WI. I'll go for modify lateral load. So for EX, I'll uncheck for Y direction and it will be 0.5. and the most important thing, if you're from US, then you can use that 2 option. This is similar as our previous version, and if you're from other countries and if your codes are same with ASC 705, then you can use that data as per your requirement. So from here, okay, from here I'll just use a Excel sheet, a simple Excel sheet. Sorry. We'll load an earthquake Excel sheet as per ASC 705. So first of all, I'll open earthquake Excel sheet because it will give you extra facility to work with it. Now here actually this have been created as per our country code. I mean as per our country parameters. So if you need to change that, you can knock me, you can contact with me. I will change it for you. It's very easy. So from here, soil type, I'll change the soil type from here. First of all, SC, height of the building. This is very important. I have to provide height of the building. So close. Also I'll close. I'll right click, modify grid system just here, and see here height of the building 114. 114 feet. Then soil type SC, and town. So what is the meaning of that? Actually this is Dhaka, that means capital of Bangladesh. So as I am working from Bangladesh, that's why I have created for my country region, but you can change it as per your requirement. Simply you can place here your value object. Okay, you can place it your value object. Suppose if your value object are 0.28, then you can simply provide here. Then they have another thing. So what is the zone coefficient actually? Okay, so here, and you can see here the number of zone, it's already selected at, I mean for who is zone will take that value. This is required for us. So I'm just taking random value. I'll change. Okay, it's okay actually. So I'll change for Gopalganj, and this is a district of Bangladesh. So its value of Z is 0.12 and zone is 1, and occupancy category 1 to 2, importance factor 1. And from here you have to select a structure type. So if you click here, so which types of a structure is that? Moment testing frame system with no shear all. Okay, fine. And from here you have to select seismic force resisting system. So this is a special reinforced concrete moment frame. Okay, and here the percentage of critical damping 5% is okay. And structure types, which types of structure actually? Concrete moment resisting frame or steel moment resisting frame. So this is concrete moment resisting frame. That's it. Just you have to change and here occupancy categories. What is your occupancy category? 1, 2, 3 or 4. So here 2, on and 2. It's depend on your case actually. So normally we are here to provide our data as per ASC 705 and 710. Just will provide that value simply. Okay, I'll take it here, and after that I'll click OK, then close, and I'll just move my software here a little bit. Now I'll go define. Okay, sorry. Here define and load pattern EX. So uncheck that. So what is the value of S on? 0.12. it will automatically calculate for you 0. SS 0.3, then long period, transition period. So what is that value of transition period? 2 site class. So if you need to provide custom value, then you have to select F, and here FA. So what is the value of FA? 1.15, and values of FB 1.725. That's it. So here all okay. And importance factor 1 we have seen here, and our deflection amplification factor, okay, CD 5.5, and then omega 3, and R response modification factor, that is 8. And from here we use user defined for time period, okay. And what is the value of T? 1.136. That's it. And from here base to top. Done. Simply click OK. And here same, but for Y, okay, for Y direction we'll uncheck X direction value, and here 0.12, here 0.3, and this is 2, and that on F 1.15, and 1.15, and 1.725. It's okay. After that 1.5.5, everything is okay, just for base to terrace. And here 1.136. That's it. So in this way you are able to define your earthquake load very simply, but you will also found that value in your code, so nothing to worry about that. And if you need that Excel sheet, please contact with me through mail or any other way. That all available process are given in description. So after that, if you contact with me for that Excel sheet, okay, I'll give you the procedure that how you can get that. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video. And in our next video I'll show that by using Excel sheet how we can place our earthquake, wind load. Okay, so simply okay, and it's done. So thank you. And if you think that course are very helpful for you, then you can support us by joining as a member, or you can give us super thanks. Okay, so and also they have many related Excel sheets that are available in our website that will really boost your working ability. So also you can take that Excel sheet. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.